Want your home to look high-end without spending a fortune? Today, I'm showing you 3 super simple DIY upgrades that make your space look expensive, all for under $50 and beginner-friendly. First up, swap out your old cabinet handles for sleek matte black or brushed brass ones. You can do this in minutes with just a screwdriver. It's one of the fastest ways to modernize your kitchen or bathroom, and it instantly looks designer. Next, try peel and stick backsplash tiles. They look like real tile, but don't need grout or tools. Perfect for renters or anyone who wants a new look fast. You can cover an entire wall in under an hour and totally transform your space. And finally, replace your boring white outlet covers with decorative ones. There are brushed metal, wood, and even textured options. It's a tiny detail most people overlook, but it gives your home a polished, intentional feel. And that's it. 3 easy DIY projects you can finish in a single afternoon that make your home look like a designer touched it. If you liked this video, hit subscribe for more simple, budget-friendly upgrades every week.